Good day. So today I'm going to be going out to a desert area a bit east of my normal location, the location with the lake and the skate park. And also on the way back, I'm going to have to grab some new shoes because I'm one of those people that wears shoes till they're basically dead. And my shoes now, they're currently ripping apart right now. You could tear off the soles literally right now. And yeah, here we go then. Not gonna lie, feeling like a really big idiot right now because I forgot to charge my GoPro and it has been charged for a week, and when I powered it on it was at 0%, so I had to delay my trip by like a full hour because I had to charge up that GoPro. Show you something that's cool, I guess. The vultures, right? Yeah. And yeah, this plane there. It's pretty flat, open desert area, so I'm gonna try flying this. Maybe just 2 packs because last time I had this big problem where there's this bug biting. It was like looked like a Pokemon bug, but I'll flash the image here. All right, and yeah, let's see what I could do.
RF signal low.
Okay, just flew my first pack and I've been having some RF signal problems, so I'm gonna crank it up to half a milliwatt rather than 100 milliwatts. So, I mean half a watt, but yeah. That's what's gonna happen this time on this second flight, just to get better signal. There was a condor here, I think, or vulture, I don't know which one it was, couldn't see very clearly, but they just left after I flew near it, so that sucks. So let's see what I'm doing with the second pack. Okay, so I went to Target, and Target only had like 2 brands of shoes, so I actually hung out there for too long, and I ended up going to Payless Shoes and buying a pair of casual shoes there. And yeah, I'm late now. I have 30 minutes to get to that drone club meeting today, so yeah. Okay, just made it to the club meeting and we're packing up and moving to a different room, so yeah, and he's flying a drone, a microwave, right? So yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyways, that's it for today. Probably gonna go to sleep after I get back to my dorm, and yeah.